Welcome to the Reloptix Quest Pro light blocker installation video. If you've already purchased lens inserts, you have the option to purchase the light blockers. We're going to show you how to install your light blockers onto your base adapters for the Quest Pro. You're going to want to remove your frames, put them somewhere safe. Next, you're going to want to remove your base adapters for the easiest installation. To do that, grab one side, pry back, and lift all the way around to remove. Pry back, lift all the way around, and remove. Set your Quest Pro aside. Now you have your light blockers marked with an R and L. Let's get into the install. Now that you know this is your right base adapter, let's go ahead and take our right light blocker and get this installed. So you'll have your 3 holes. These are settings on your light blocker. We're going to install this on the studs around the base adapter. You'll have a nasal area, a temple area, and a lower nasal area. We're going to start with the temple area here. So, while holding your light blocker, apply pressure on both sides of the stud. And you can see the hole with the stud poking through. Go ahead and apply pressure on both sides so your stud comes through the light blocker. Now it's held in place. Follow your light blocker all the way around your base adapter and install the stud on the bottom. This one's not going to poke through as much because it's a holding place. Now, follow by the nasal stud. Remember to apply pressure on both sides and push through. There we go. Now we have insulation. If this side comes off, let's go ahead and poke it through. You'll also be able to do this while it's installed. All right, let's install your right base adapter with light blocker installed. We're gonna go from your temple area to your nasal area, followed by the lower nasal area. And remember, the flat edge is the top side. And this is our right base and right light blocker. Okay? So, back side, nasal side, a little bit of stretch to the lower nasal side. You're flush all the way with the lip, and you're good. Your light blocker is installed the way it should be, and this bottom stud is in the hole. Let's do the left side. Nasal side is open. Temple area first, nasal, and then bottom nasal. It's flush all the way through. There we go. And now you can install your frames. Finish this left side. Find the stud. There we go, we're through. Finish by installing your lenses. And you're good to use.